have to see me off, Anna.
I will, but I know you. I know you bring me back home. And then ask me to accompany you back home. And then in the end, you bring me back home again. So, you know what? Let me just see you off to this side and then
okay, if you see me off and I ask you to come back here with me again, is that a problem? No.
It's too much work.
It's love. It's love.
I'm
Come
tired.
on. I know. Let's go.
Let me see you off here.
Where? Off where?
Here.
Here where?
Here.
Just here.
Off here.
Oh.
Here. Go home. You tell me to take you home and then you come back here again.
I will do that.
It's okay, bye-bye.
Oh, let's go. Yeah, okay, I'm You know what? I've changed my mind. Let me take you to the room.
You are going to sit down here.
Oh, I beg.
You sit down. I know you don't want to go. Just sit down.
Oh, you go.
Sit down. I know you don't want to go. Sit down. You sit down. Sit down.
If I sit down, it means I'm not going.
Yeah, sit down. I know you don't want to go.
It means I'm not going.
Agyei. Hey, Agyei.
Don't many pay Jimmy. I'm confronting my Jimmy.
I'm your body at the afro. Maintain a matter with a boy. May better from the cell. I damn time quite a maintain to. I'm your body at the afro. Maintain a matter with a boy. May better from the cell. I damn time quite a maintain to. Machi, besides, I don't know, I see what's can swimming in a level. I finish you, pa. I didn't my message to Bele. Dead or pa. Fear of what dear, and India, and the city. Without the power and finding Peter. I've been at the family in the day. Atia.
Vera, guess what?
What?
Take a guess. I brought something, but take a guess.
Agyei, what is it?
You want me to tell you?
Yes, I don't like.
Okay.
Yes, guess.
Turn.
Yeah.
You turn. Now you can turn around. Ta-da! Come on, just have
Spring
a taste. Your favorite.
So, spring rolls.
Spring rolls, yes, I brought you spring rolls. Have a taste.
Make sure you are steady.
Okay. Oh, wait there.
But you put the thing you're eating the thing. I think it was fun. Look, let's go to the backyard.
Why?
The last time you bought me fried rice, my mom finished everything. I don't want her to eat this one. Let's go. I don't want her to see this one. She will finish it for me. Let's go. Okay. But how can you buy something for me and you are eating it too yourself?
Because I'm trying to have a taste.
Let's get it. Why? You need to buy something. I don't want her to eat. I don't want her to eat some of the spring rolls. The last time when you brought the fried rice, when you left, she finished everything. Why?
Why we are eating?
We're eating, saying the thing, I don't know. You've already eaten one. I thought you said you bought it for me.
Okay, fine.
Also, you bought it for us so that we'll eat together.
No, I bought it for you.
Because you gave me surprise. Turn around, no one to eat all.
No, you go ahead.
I don't like eating with you because you know how to rush food.
So you won't give me?
You eat. Take some.
It's okay.
Take
It's
some.
okay. It's okay.
I don't want to
I'm full. It's okay.
I'm full.
I'm full. It's okay. You let me take. I'm going to say, oh, I'm not crying. Money you want. I tell you.
man and Mokra.
I'm going to have a candidate.
But I am sure better.
You see there.
I go.
Hey, I'm a young.
Where?
Yeah, Mama,
Hey. Agyei, aso.
Me ba mo.
Who buy him?
What's in
And then I'm asking. TRACEY, first you are not TRACEY. So that TRACEY be an old come no offer Agyei.
No, I said.
Yeah, my father. Yeah. I'm saying, would you move me that?
You're going.
Nah, Madame for Vera. Nah, wait yet.
Madame for me, Vera.
Patch your eye, Papa. Mr. Me buy and your bonny beer, Diani. Let me free gas over by market day. And me toss any me banner, me the Abramona. Also, what me I will forward the
Nyamisha, yeah, that's a papa. Nyamisha, they say your friend will pass as you so what? That's it. Hey, my son. Yeah, that's a pa. Nyamisha, what? No, say your friend will pass as you so. Why are you money?
Now, if you come here,
patch your eye, Papa.
the first
Maybe Agyei.
patch your eye. How about
My minute, I'm at the pa. What the boom?
Oh, I'm a pa.
Patch your eye.
Hey, I'm a pa.
Papa, no.
Never come here now.
Branty.
No, because I'm a pa. Hey, I'm a pa. I'm a pa, but no, now they were listening to see. I can be a patch. Okay, president school.
Patch your eye.
Antra. Tell me, I'm a patch. Oh,
Well, be a bank, I wouldn't.
oh, fast I'm going to already. I can't be an alcohol for bar. I'm going to yo, that was why. That was it.
Sunday, what kind of son and back? What?
That's it.
And then the
Vera!
body.
Blah!
A cat was dear.
Sorry, I'm
but to my aunt Jack will come back. Some of them here did the quite.
Sorry.
I ain't Jack will come back. Well, now in Chian, that's all just
oh, my own, yes, be a
you're the buy any.
My fuck over now.
You're the buy any Tiana, you will
I am a call.
I
Again, that was right. You, oh, quite like a show, mamma said. Come on. I would go out
So, what's up?
I've noticed something.
What?
It's been a while you came here. It's been a while you visited me.
Vera, I always come here, don't I? Okay. It's been a while. It's been, a couple of weeks, I know. Vera.
Yes.
You know that I cannot just walk here with bare hands like that.
I don't get you. Are you? No.
You know, I'm a very generous guy. I wouldn't want to come in here with bare hands. I always want to come into the house with gifts. I always bring gifts for your mom and dad, and I always notice how happy they are. So, I want to keep it that way. So please, if I'm not coming in, it's not like I'm ignoring you or it's not like I'm avoiding you or anything. No. It's that I'm organizing myself.
No, Agyei, no.
Why?
So, let me understand something.
Okay.
You coming here is based on gifts. as in whenever you have gifts is when you come. So let's say if it takes you like a year to, get those gifts for my family, meaning I won't see you for that year.
Oh, come on. You making a big deal out of nothing.
No,
no.
I should be the reason why you're coming.
I know.
Where's my food stuff? Mama, me board the enemy buy it. I'm called one by the Agyei. Me usually mean your man body any buy it and I'm the boo and man one. Have you taken it? Wouldn't him say? Agyei, please. I'm hungry. Agyei. Agyei.
I'm tired. Please, just let me.
You are tired. And no, me the body by them you know say Robert ma go back to abeto ase. Body akro pe na anyi wa ha na metwade aka ho. Emo ni anwan so wadam ho no. Me kodam ho amo ni anwan ni ho. Body ni by them so ni ha. Agyei, ewai. Agyei me pe problem. Ewai. Agyei. Agyei minimum. Agyei minimum. Me pa chawo. By them you ni body na no ankwam twa to ha ni emo ni anwan ewai.
Agyei, your friend saying, I said,
Agyei kasa. Kasa.
I said, dynamic coy, Vera,
kasa.
Ne mama, obviously, I said, Adriani be any Fiona, me buy any guana, meaning say, what you swear we the account.
It was a time by you and me board, didn't know, come try, and I'm mono so near one of them also. Wouldn't you come Vera?
No,
hey,
ma'am, I said, me, you want I said, here, Diana, I said, me be fine.
Mamma Quine, me could Vera, no, mamma,
I won't cause him,
me could Vera, no. So what you're doing, I will. So I teach you, so I will tell you, I want you to tell I won't win me could Vera.
Oh, dear, what am I pass, mamma, men, yes, I'm going to be
come to me,
oh, dear. Me, I'm a baker.
Something one for back, what's sending you now? There come over and mammy. Agyei, you want to kill me? Let me die, let me die. Let me die, Poku. Kill me, Poku. Kill me, Poku. Because I don't want, I don't have any food stuff in this house again. Hey, Agyei, so you allow me to be like that? Agyei. Hey! God! Hey! This my son is crazy. God, have mercy on me. Adriani and me dey go abi no na medipi. Na waka so dey bia so no proper we say mo no. Try so se come ni me yam. Na Vera ni ma me di me. Eni e wo bua. Me no be trafia pa. E ko me dey wa ufia. What dey try?
Hey, you don't have to think,
Oh, ho. Hey, Vera. So won't you let Agyei give you some personal space so that you can find something to do for yourself? Hey, every day, love. What is this love bringing?
What's more profitable than being with Agyei? Wait till you fall in love. Huh?
Oh, really?
Zainab, you have a problem with me. Do you?
I don't have a problem with you.
Always want to pick on me, but when I do that, hey, hell will break loose. Did I offend you in any way?
No, you haven't offended me.
So why are you always picking up on me?
Anyway, my sister, so what are you going to be doing instead of sitting here chopping love every day?
Hey, no.
Zainab, my own baby,
If you go to extent, hey, but see, let me tell you something. Do you know I always admire you in this your uniform?
Okay.
I really love this uniform. Hey, honestly.
And then
Agyei, did you hear what she said?
Let me excuse you too, so you can.
Oh no, why?
Oh,
Mommy, I want to join.
Exactly.
I want to come and learn. I want to learn.
Right? You want to learn.
Yeah, it's I
I have to
Hint,
go
hint,
see
hint.
to it that there's food in the house.
Okay,
Please.
no problem.
Okay.
Snap, come and sit down.
Agyei.
Why are you like that? Why are you like that?
So when you even started him, he couldn't even say.
Oh, please, I don't like that too. But I want to learn. I want to come and learn this hairdressing
It'll be
thing.
so nice. I'll be so happy to be working with you.
I want to come. I like the uniform.
Yeah, it will fit you.
I'll come. Is the fees expensive?
It's moderate. It's not bad.
I'll tell my dad.
Okay. Your dad. Okay.
And I will come and say, oh, be over that or Penquaya Dria. And see where we're so happy. We're so happy. Yeah, I want to come up.
Mommy, Vera.
Hey,
Good afternoon.
Hi, Zinab.
Hey.
Yeah, one person.
Okay.
Uniform, dear, but oh,
thank you.
like anytime I see you in your uniform, I'm like, wow.
Thank you.
You make me want to be part of your hairdressing school.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I want to me your hairdressing school now come you.
Okay.
You can't die. Oh. Name Busana. Of I go to school. What do you want to say?
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, pa.
You want to ask your dad?
So,
Oh, you won't ask Agyei?
I don't understand. What does me, trying to better myself, learn something got to do with Agyei?
it's a responsibility to take care of me. So I'm telling her, yes, my parents will take care of me. If yours didn't take care of me, that's fine.
It's not that my parents didn't take care of me. I don't want to put that burden on them, and you should do the same. My boyfriend can take care of me and sponsor me, unlike Agyei. That is my point, Vera.
My parents are not complaining. They'll take care of me. Period.
Ma.
Now,
So when you are dumb, now a boyfriend show fine. And no biya na basa na boyfriend and I need to know. What way why said yeah ya didn't bass as you so yan yes as you channel. The channel is fifi no so be na yes tutu. Ya fa bed in kwaswa obi say Agyei no nya obeyo. Obra bona nka akukọ motam. Ka akukọ motam o onya tade kra ko be hye. So obra nya bona nti. What? When you dia na ye yi a ka wano tum.
just oh yeah, let me the man who so I live. No, bring I am. No, cut.
I didn't want to sign. I want you. Oh, yeah. No, I'm not ready. Send you no yard.
And now we are no person can move in Como.
Como pensa.
So 1% can go chiaba, go chiaba, go back sama. Yadi common. Yabadi and never common.
Oh, the general said they didn't come on.
I said,
I'm going to pay me try. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm going to on tea. Come on, dear, baby, papa, dear.
Baby, papa.
Ah, some and common on quay.
Pa, and command the effa, Yaba Vera.
Vera. Are they, my baby?
Why wouldn't say baby a word dream? When to me, Uncle school,
Enwe papa. And I finish when she and Sanwa Juma. And one nam ho saakwa. Penyi se wo hwe oba ne sififia. Ono so da no ahwe.
Ama se tutu.
Osia tutu. Enti se yampe bibi ama na anya na wahwe ne da ache a ebe ha na haye nso. Enti mesesenka. Yemani pe bibi nye. Yemani hwe Sanwa Juma. And never one Dutch. Mesrewa.
No can be no no. No, I'm quite baby. I'm going to do baby. I'm not finishing. We need to do maybe. I can no quiet. No quiet. Tell you, okay, no quiet. And so, as I better to see you. But what I say, I can be about money. And that's why you side man. Then, Agyei.
Vera worry.
Ah,
Worry, Dabby. And one of them, my worry. I'm a massy.
I must have me too. We are papa.
What is that saying?
I Vera no ne Agyei na nam de ayibia. O ko bani o ko no bani adi ya. Ezi woni ntua.
Ah, me.
They say this is our here.
To where you worry. We a your friend are worry. You are Mr. One I would Vera bass at you way so. Enti hweno ti dachi Vera ye yia enya je no woko hweno me no mienu ene wo ba hwe
sa na aka dia Vera wonya de HD no tra na me hu se free de be ana me hwe.
Yeah? So you know what you need to do? You need to tax Agyei and stop collecting these coins from him. And let him do big things for you. Like, you need to let him pay for your apprenticeship and stop collecting these coins from him. Huh? Vera.
Look, I really appreciate what Agyei has been doing for my family. I mean, he brings, food stuff for us, like plantain, yams,
Plantain?
Yeah, I know he's not working, but the mere thought of it alone is worth appreciating. So,
Agyei brings plantain.
Yes, plantain, yams.
Instead of you to let him finish your father's house and bring you things like champagne, expensive perfume, cream, you're saying plantain.
What am I using
Hey,
champagne?
Vera!
What am I using champagne for? Agyei doesn't work. But he makes sure that anytime he comes to my house, he brings us something.
He brings you something?
Yes, so with time, things will get better, don't worry.
Vera, things will get better.
Yes.
Your national anthem is "Things Will Get Better." Tomorrow, Dachi. Is that all you're going to keep saying for the next few years?
No, it will change before then, I believe.
Vera, my sister, listen to me. You need to stop cheapening yourself. Do you know what men are doing for women like us? They're buying them houses, building them houses, and buying them expensive cars. And you're here talking about plantain.
Papa no man kwa na usi. Papa mi ya.
So ni ma yefi no. Na fala ko fa.
Na usi wi anu akọfa.
Na fa sa mi se skabishi mo.
Why? O papa stingy man. Shia.
Na for anything.
Hey. On discussion but mama wo wasi ni no.
Bi na ni rest.
Enko ya akụkọ. As if you don't know your father.
Man, I say so come off.
Dynamic kabi. Stingy man.
How, mommy? But you, me chow kakra. Afternoon, mommy.
What
happened? Your mom, I don't know.
No, ignore her. I mean,
Before you came, we had our issues.
You sure? Because I don't think I've met your mother in this.
No. It's got nothing to do
situation.
with you.
You sure?
Yes.
Anyways, can I sit?
Yeah, sure, sit.
Okay. Guess what? You know my 1-2-1-2 that I do every time?
Agyei.
I made some money.
Hey, that's good to know.
I made some money, you know. And you want to go hang out now? I'm taking you somewhere.
I have to wash my dad's clothes.
Oh, come on.
Sure.
This can wait. Let's go.
Me papa your man. No. I have to wash his clothes first. So when I'm done, see, let's give him some shirts to wash. So when I'm done.
Okay, fine. That's cool. But I hope that's not going to take forever.
No.
Okay.
I'll finish soon. It's not much.
Okay, I'm going to the joint and then wait for you. Come. Don't keep me waiting.
I'll come.
All right, okay.
Okay.
That's
All right,
okay.
love you. Attitude me. So you're disrespecting me, dear say.
Me man attitude say. Into the war ye na ye ofe o. E ye ofe. On pesika no fa nko so. O man ani mmere en waje wa boso. Meso, me ka chiro. Fatu na nim. Ma wani mmere. Na so wani ma wani amre na ya bote ono so be ya bote sa na mo na musa se che wo se ka kire no se so wantimi afọ wan ko so adwuma no a enye yi it won't work. You hear that? You hear me? So ti the American ya no an se na amen. The bia would hear you quite free. Or nunti, and granting me free quite. And when you talk rather, why eventually, or nunti, are they? Senior man. Then you know, Joe.
Abasa. For how many bread? I will carry so tavanu. Believe me, I'm going to say for our blood.
Papa. Papa,
What's the other name?
Papa, I'm so I'm responsibilities. I'm Mudimet Sudma. I need to Agyei mum no so. The brand say, oh, yeah, my money is one.
Vera. A responsibility and pass any all country. Now, so say no. One sasu. I say when you Vera and I'm not how da. One night. Say, what?
Me worry.
Oh, I am Poku. I know so problem. Ever to your household. And the moment Vera yet me.
Now me worry or me one dear. Minimum net.
I don't know.
Me be fear. The thing is, once still me go social mass. I'm responsibility. Say what I'm with go to Juma. Boy, do you know?
Opposite, you was on your way. Nothing you who said, yeah, see a hero. They do to you. I don't know.
Tobo Joe Hammer, and say move. Bibian and one yaw take, Nipan one yaw tanfo, where you're back, and when you're crash. Then I will see June and Cassati said, or be a woman and walk and talk.
Oh, by another.
That won't set him.
They wouldn't say Nimucasacatua. Or by ye, I saw the buy, and whom I am the man. Maybe but now the Cassa, that Cassa, Sia, but the Session Bishop.
What the Cassa
But the Bishop. How can I DJ some of the Minu Casabro? Maybe proud, but maybe one, maybe proud. But you could have maybe a car Israel. Maybe no Cassa, get 20 men, yeah, many man Cassa.
And no son no back, no watching at Classe, Boko.
That's no who Yasa.
You just tell me about Manafa.
O can be.
Almost the other 10 almost kind of sign near the big cow. Near you would be able to be free. Efe. Oh, Madame Impessa. Vera. As some are papa, okay. You should pass a check among the Kurapadia. Udika.
I
Some we you more.
Apprentice, you know, when you saw.
Then way.
A body, Johnny Bray, my brain, when you saw. I was so well, also didn't to
Antibody and a bunch, you know. A warrior. And a wolf for papa. Wolf for. I'll be check a boarding. Vera.
I saw you say. What's a market carrying no money I didn't say any, you know, old Chibema. Let us say, a general or TV show. And the very top us all papa no mammy a boa. To Fred, you know. Nothing you say, your battle on your head. Nay, I have ya said it. What's it?
So what I'm saying is, this is the time for you to prove yourself to them. Prove your love. She says she wants to learn a skill, so this is the time you have to see her through.
Zainab, you don't need to tell me this, but I have the situation under control.
Okay.
I'm actually putting things together to make sure that she starts as soon as possible.
Hey.
Yes.
Vera, but why is your face like that? Why, you don't agree with what I'm saying? Or is it because Agyei is here so you can't talk? Anyway, Agyei, like I'm saying, I'm waiting for you to prove your points. Show her you love her. Show her you're a man. Don't behave like some poor church mouse.
You done?
It's good. It's possible, both of you. Agyei, now then I'll see her Ngissah.
Me okay.
Are we okay saying? Me see free them, me jina hadi, me show di. What you hold to say obi a bibi hanu? Ade. Me ba no, me de me ba. Se bibi ha me ba me hu. E di asem. Catch them what?
Oh, mommy.
Agyei.
You're sitting and we need a bra boy, you boy. You ain't even quiet anymore. You're quiet anymore. And now I'm not seeing to be beer. Any party now, I've been in a wood in Beshemu Biano. na ejija yesa me gire me ho me po me ho modern bia so wensi
Agyei modern na wo bo no bo ne sen
mami me bo ne sen
oh Agyei ntina maka cho se pebre bi na fo abra bobo na mutu bi nante nkom masa basasa o
mami enye se me pe ni se me nante koba omo bob papa bi okro mu ha ya lay foundation am omo dada
ho na leye
mami misrewo se ni o si bo obra no foundation a uja mami no eno ena mafa me de bo me bra enti jai me na mia me mfa me tiri no mu ye den a enche eni ma be yi me pim anya se bia asama o ka se me mpa adwuma o me nyese me de maso na etie kwa me bo me ho modin bia so mfa na me we de kakra bi
Enye die hia ni o. Enye die hia ni de bia na kita polypen bag ko se die bia. Wo ye we bi ni. Ai. Die hia ni se wo de me bi. De bia ba na mamu na kire wo na se kire ba ya ba ko pe. Die me hia ma me ba na se ne da achi. So obeye yi. Wagye ababa wo ya boso so wo mo ano. De me pa de se me be sua nsa na dwuma. Fi school no went me anko awi. Wa wo mo ano. And I will on Ntiamoah ho saa ye hu mfato bi e wo so. Ye ma mi hu ana me bu afukura no.
Mommy, me you're very sorry. Say asama very new to me. Na obano se ne misi dono no. My imagine say bibia ebe ma na ni agye mpo ebibe ka ne maame ne papa nyina no. My imagine say meye. Nti se wo de atum anyim se ewo se meye ahoboa na mepe bibi eba na odi kosua adwuma mesre se mummusam na adwuma kro opeso osua no mummusa ho nhyehyeye efa ne trinsa ne ho ntotoye nyina na mumama sonte na mesoso mayire me ho na mahwe na ma organize me ho ape bibi aba na so metimi dey support ti waka mpache omate.
Now you are talking like a man. The first thing you know to papa so. Hey, wanna make you obi abayo to bromu say kama say agina boss so no so on nante na ni so kwa. Efe. Yefe, afena.
Okay.
O talk you. Now so the dad am ka huh? The dad am ka chon kanjira.
Agyei. Hey. Agyei me ko dware na wujira ha. Wujira ha dwen saa mako dware aba. Me fra wunyina wonte. Agyei. Enti Vera ho adwendwen continent waye basasa no. Agyei. Vera tin science preska na kotu no. Enti na wudwendwen sei. Na wonim so kotu di tin science no kra wi a. Agyei na wunwie ye. Wotu di tin science wi a wunwie yo. Se wonim dia na tade obehye. Ni tie obeye. Aduane obedi akopum so obesua adwuma no bewie. Agyei ya wo na obeye. We nyine enti na me kasa padwuma bi na ye. Na wo na wo ye bema. Padwuma bi na ye. Na se obewie we mu nya bewie na se Vera na wo wie adwuma mpo na so wo mpe wo mpo a ema nye na wo bre sika ehye obotom. Bema 10 gram sei. Na okita usika papa bia. Ema na. Enti Vera huntu wadwea. Agyei me pa cho. Wate? Misro, wate? Jadwindwina de pedwuma bi na ye. Eno ane solution no. What did I make a chron?
In there, you won't talk. Are you sick? What's wrong with you? You're not talking to me. You're not. I don't like this. Your mood. What is it?
Vera, things are hard. Things are really, really hard for me. I'm doing everything I can just to raise the money so we can put you in the apprenticeship. But it's not happening for me. You know, I'm a man of my words. I want to really, really fulfill that. But it's getting like, I don't know.
Wait.
It's just too much for me now.
Agyei, it's my parents' responsibility and not yours. So I don't know why you're worrying yourself.
Vera. I know it's your parents' responsibility, but it's also my responsibility too, because you're my girlfriend. You think your parents are going to respect me if I'm not able to do this? You think they will? You think I can come to your house again if I'm not able to do this? You know, I don't know. Right now, I don't know how I'm going to get the money.
I know. Agyei, you don't have the money now.
That is what I'm trying. I'm trying my best.
Don't do this. Agyei, will you listen to me? Please. I don't want you to pay attention to what people will say, what my parents will think of you, respect, and all of that. Your focus should be me. Leave that responsibility for them. I'm not married to you yet, so I'm still their responsibility. Until we get married, then I can be your responsibility. So please, I beg you.
You know how this thing will go a long way in making sure that I can marry you easily. If I'm able to do this, that would be so easy for me to marry you.
Agyei, no, please. Are you saying if you want to marry me now, I want to marry you because, you've not put me through school or something? I don't get it. Please, Agyei. Look at me. Please, don't worry yourself. Please. I know you're a good man. Don't do this, please.
All right, if you say so. Let's go.
I don't like this your mood.
You let's go.
Every day I dey woke up, yeah, searching for some true lover, yeah. It be like say this girl I the one.
Couple goals.
Oh, please.
Zainab, let's say.
Well, you're supposed to be in school. What are you doing here?
Have you forgotten? You know me now. I have to, just visit one or two people. You know how it is. Vera, come on.
Zainab, slow down. Slow down on these guys. How many men do you want to deal with?
How many what? Agyei, what are you trying to say? Can you repeat that?
I mean no harm, please. I mean no harm. I just want to say that you just have to slow down.
I should
That's
slow
all.
down.
Yeah, slow down.
How many men? I would rather be with many men than be with one man cannot see me through school to learn a common skill. I mean, look at me. Eh? I don't want to end up like my sister Vera.
Zinab. It's not funny. I don't like the way you're addressing my boyfriend. Please, stop it. You have to apologize.
Vera, I should apologize to Agyei because I'm looking out for you. I will never apologize because what I'm saying is the truth. Oh.
Papa ne mami. We dey Ntiamoah enye bolibia. Nse mre bi atwam. Mo de to manim senka ahoden wo ho anka memmoa na Vera ntimi nsu adwuma. Me de mitri do mo a afeina mahoboa no SCP. Menye ska akra. Anka me pese me bana me de beto monim. Na kamudi nanim na adwuma no okokosua. Menye ska ebetimi atu ni trinsa. Afei so enyeman ketenkete bi a obehia ne ade nyina no. Se mahoboa no SCP a ko obetimi ahya ase. Timi baaya masema no no.
When your friends are Bema. Obema dear, when you who buy us open one. A bonhoka. Chia fagum. No banos on your dear. As I know, I wish young and to be casa. That's what I want hook be as for Bushiaso. Why are they? One man who's all Agyei. Oh, na can't know Diablo. We are Bema P. We are Bema P. Casa. Some corner, I will just a papa. Casa.
Papa we dey Agyei. Empty. Yem kasa wo akire. Say me the twins no. Pacho the twins anani. Ena eye we say so ye atade a ode be ye adwuma.
The most said Mobesson.
And that we see him Pabuano.
And the Papa, yo. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, Bema.
na konwa no so eni
obatra so ho
na papa say mahu say sebi so achi adwuma yi ase a ne koba na duane diem ne ade no eno so mafa enti
we be pi
eno so ka ho
we be pi mafa onne
eja no ma ne papa
onye we na aya ode aye ne ko ne na duane diem ne ade
nya so wo ya na wo ya ready na papa me ko na be jira papa me ko kra se ne bi
ye de o de awa
o de bi o de ma no do se de be ya wo mi se bibia
ma me ne papa so wonyi we na mo so mo de atoto bibi adi kakra
eyo jo ro Agyei
papa
fede o ma hu se wo ye bema
to wano ase
sei wa ya de o ma ya yi bibia la wo de abofo na ko hwajuma mu na o ko hwajuma mu no ni nyina so da wo boabo aho na boabo aho nti o wi adwuma pepepe na wo so aba na ba ye ne ho ade da fe wa fa ade ko na yi ni asem bi aka wo ho kra why na me no se ne wa ye we no sa obetimi ba ye ne ho ade nti sesa so ma wate hey Agyei wa ya de afo na ma hu so ye Agyei ankasa ni
aso aso wey dia kai dia sanka prapra kwa na da ka o dia so
dia ka na de on do fa bi se no
oh da enye o de se ho kwa enye
manu fa kakra nsa
ja
eh
wa dia ma so le sa che
Nanaba. Na won't you asama to me krom ha?
Just tebe na me da bia my ready tie.
Nanaba.
Aha.
Asama to me kro yi mu.
Na me ni man kan busa wo.
Na wote krom ya wo so wonte ye.
Ah. Ma me man komo ya tente. Fa just tebe ne yankua ni mu. Ade na esi.
Me se me dia mu pempena de nyina me ntoma. Misika chesade ba akwa ye me yakra ne se me kuru kwabra fori ade ba akwa pa wodi jame
ukunu bai
me kuru kwabra fori
na ukunu o kable
woni hwe ne so ade kru pedi wonya di jame ana mo me kunu sa
enya sie mu no na se yese wunu wa yiye be ba ya na o yale da ho mu kire na ukunu ne se obi wan na enim na okuru mu a aha o de na o jadai
ada afi do opese udidi matam didi mi ko wo wusu atam ana
na dem ye didi watam ada sa asemi mu ade
asama to me nanaba
nti madam opese o ka chem se de ekosu okuru mu a wonte ye
se den
aboa bi beka wa ifru ntomam etu pese o ka chem se de sisi de mponche emu we okuru mu enyine me be aponche o we chira na o ka chere wasem but me ni hwe ka ba sa me answer me just that I don't confirm ka say me concern
na so de concern de me say we di consent da okay kan ye bi kran kwa wonnim ne obewia me ne man na na ba kasa kire me
minnim
na me yam hihye me nsu mote
krom ha wo kan obi asema ncha ne de wo kwa ahemfie me nim ada na pese pass me hye me kon minnim ba de me ka jon say check wo fie o me pese me ka kire check wo fie abo di de ka we fru ntuma ada say
oh sentam ka cho sasemi what
mate dai one anti asemi wo kroim because two person ka cho be say kroma na ayete no wonte say ai abrantie bi nam kroma opede nkofo tutu adwuma mu tuatua nkofo dan ka wonte say asemi
wote ye fie ho nanaba kasa ye kire me
pese de be ne sana ya frema hemfie me mitu emi ni kap
obi afrew
me kwa asem ko free ko gale wa ase ara na pese de asem hyem so what I say but dem catch us say if ye nipa eye wa unhu de ekosu nyina bo okotodwem na hu na anya unhu ye ba me pese me body na ahemfi abam because me mitu emi ho bon dada
na ba ya
bo okotodwem wanti ana
me ye pani o de oni me kan so pese o tell me say me bejei fi so
ba me wa me nya ahemfi asem mpa cha ade na obubodi Masala wa.
Sasa wo feso chese me bejei. O kase bo mi ko tojum, oni se me yetwi ni.
Ma me ada na me just na beso o di asam sha me konsa eri ani. Mo ma konkonsa di ye kra ya den do.
Na na ba gina ho. Gina ho de gina ho na me mi se wasam yie. Say me mu ye.
Me bleba am kan wan thing.
If me to ni to so che say me ba Agyei na afa na.
You a chia me nya asem.
Nana ba.
Bye bye, my crowd. Have problem be our ma.
Ba kukuro saka he kura ni say. Wo bi ti krom ha e de nkofo ma toto adwuma mu. Eh ha da man nkofo ma. Ni say me ba Agyei ana. Hey.
Hello, is anybody there? Good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, my daughter. I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine.
What brought you here this morning?
Mommy, is Agyei around?
No.
He's gone to the roadside?
Yes.
Good, Mommy, please. I have something to tell you.
Wow.
Please, don't tell anyone. Agyei is the one that stole your valuables to go and impress Vera and her family.
Eh? Say it again. Say it again.
I said Agyei is the one that stole your valuables to go and impress and flash money to Vera and the family, Mommy.
So you mean Agyei stole my things, my gold, my jewelries, and all my money to Vera?
Yes, Mommy. Just to go and impress and flash money on Vera.
Are you sure what you are saying is true?
Yes, Mommy. Your own son did this.
Hey!
Mommy, please, you can't tell anybody, yo.
But I'll mention your name, oh.
Mommy, please don't mention my name.
I'll mention your name, oh.
No, Mommy, don't mention my name.
If I shouldn't mention your name, then you are lying.
Mommy, I'm not lying.
You are gossiping, oh.
How can I lie about my own friend Vera, Mommy? I can't lie to you.
Hey!
I just want to make you aware because she's your own son. How can you do that? Because of a woman. Hey, Mommy, you have to do something about this.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. Bye-bye. And now me share be mu wey your friend Nana Bay. What can the same thing chere me? Na me so say e konkonsa na kware die. Enu e bi na ba wi so be kan. Na chese me be Agyei. Me mpempra de na ayira no. Agyei na asesa koton. E de ne Vera. E koto adwuma mu. Hey!
Hey, you look good. I like that. That's great. You look nice, right? Come on.
I was very surprised that Agyei was able to raise that amount. I'm so happy. Look at me now. I'm going to learn a skill.
Yeah. So why are you so surprised that Agyei has done this? Don't you know that men were born to suffer and sacrifice for us? It even says in the Bible, the man is the breadwinner. So why are you making so much noise about Agyei has done this?
Well, you know Agyei doesn't have that much, so for him to come up with this amount, I should appreciate him. I'm very happy.
Oh, please, Agyei. He can do more. I mean, look, you see the way you're looking there. When you step out, you will get men to do more things for you. Big things, girl. Forget about Agyei. He didn't do anything. This small thing, Agyei.
You just don't like him. That's it. So anything he does to me, you just don't like it. I know, but you know Agyei doesn't have this amount. So let's go before Madam says I'm late.
But you're looking good. High five.
Oh, please.
And no bet see my young. And no bet see my young. We are on away. We are on some away. When you have fever. Many high tension. High tension, and many high fever. And Mammy Boofu, Miss O'Yee, Amasa away. Amasa away. I don't know my back as Amasa away, me Bawunia Amasa. Me Bawunia Amasa, and I'll buff Vera that chrononti. What are the big J? We are 1 year. When you follow me, and you want to from no man, when I from for now, I say, I'm a son, I from for no, I have to come back here, and I have from for. When I from for no,
See, I said, never can you.
I saw the way. See, what's in the way?
Can you hear?
What's in the way?
I
Mama, and there you have been here. And you have me good, me do well. Me near my couldn't quabra for it. They don't worry me now. We're really in our brother on my tongue. And I'm with him about that. I want the brother some tongue. What the brother was tongue yet? No, what the brother was tongue yet? So the brother, so tongue yo, what your brother. And I'm with him about judgment. Agyei. Now then, I'll be here. I'll go for that.
Me go for say. You go for your choir, and also so I did. If you are now choir, who go me dead on him say, me my baby, we are what dear, and where dear body.
Ah, Agyei. It took me to make a sound.
I mean, no Cassa saying. I mean, no Cassa saying. I didn't know what to be coffee on him, a cocoa woman was Vera, ni mama ni papa ya nimsa. I will call on Moka catch us and me my baby award here. And my cotton de omuba to adwuma. Me what several times you say I don't know. Nyame na me fire. I didn't na chinchin also go kwa na coffee on na uko guma tumase. Uguma nimase na wanya de na efrim.
Agyei. Na dem kwa kan me boa. Won wi me bibia wa dem ha.
Me mfa wo hwe, me mfa wo hwe.
Agyei ja kohwe no. Na eda ho kan. Me no mienu pe de te dem ha. Obi an kan ye ho me no mienu pe. Eti hwa na babo wura de ko so me chain ene me watch a wo se kwabra fori. Ede ya me ho ade a me de go no enu nko ani ade a wo se kwabra fori. Ede ja me. Enu nko na de ja me. Me boa. Wo se wo nwiaye.
Me se me mfa bibia, me nwiaye.
Wafa.
Me se me mfa bibia.
Eya wa no wafa.
Me mfa twe.
Ja akohye na wudie no.
Utu ja se ko.
Ja akohye na wudie no. Eti Vera ho tena na me kasa basa. Agyei.
No kasa basa.
Eja ma me ni mi o.
You have to tell me what's going on. You know I don't like it when I see you cry. Please, just tell me. What is wrong? What is wrong?
Everybody's laughing at me. All my friends are laughing at me.
They're laughing at you for what?
They're mocking me.
Mocking you? For what? What did you do?
They said you went to steal your mom's valuable items and then sold them and then you start to pay for my apprenticeship. Why would you do that?
So, that's the reason why you're in this state?
Yeah, everybody's calling you a thief. I mean, everybody's calling my boyfriend a thief. Boyfriend, you're a crow for. You think it's nice. I don't like it.
Vera, I am not a thief, okay? I am not. And even if I stole my mom's stuff, it's none of their business. Please, I don't want to see you in this state ever again, please. Listen, I did it because I love you. Even if I have to kill for you, I will do that. Please.
I don't like it. Everybody's calling you a thief. It's not nice.
You are not a thief. Can you stop crying? You are not a thief. I am not a thief.
I don't like it.
Can you just stop crying, please?
I don't even know what your mom will think of me if she gets to know that you stole from her to just, put me through headrest in
Vera,
school.
Listen. My mom, she doesn't even know that I stole those stuff, okay? I know my mom. Just leave her to me. I'll be able to take care of it. I will handle her. Please, I want you to do me just one favor. I want you to stop crying, okay? Please stop crying. I did it because I love you. That's why I did it. Later on, I'll find a way to talk to my mom about it. Please, I don't want to see you cry again. You promise me? Mammy. And him say, America cranny. And near my be Kosua. Me giddy say, woeful humpa. And now, Mr. So. Send ye obufu no baby I could do no and mwame if we say would him say Vera ayo baby a managing no Ntina meneno a chassis and a medine betcha no and she say I could do pempen so Sabri when you may be ye Miss me pem so I say Miss Menya be aye na yet me Asho brana si na ya worry. Na send ye nan sing my relationship na nan say damon tem no many nye ho mami e ha me pa many nye ho pacho se me no maye boni bia pacho fache me na Vera Odi mu bibia send your one in a relationship tiana aye basa no many nye mpacho so why you bibi kra ma me pacho so ka me pacho fache me
Agyei oza wo kasakra wo yesu kire so oba ho nti kire se Vera yi ho nti wo kasa nyina popo wo su kire se wo su kra so obata bie ne hono mu a onipa bia mpo ne ho tiri fo sempa kodo na me ba bema ba akopɛ nam adenti na kade a wo penka mempe na wotumi hwehwɛ me niema mu sesa me niema nyina sesa magudie ne me mpempradie nyina oba Vera yi ho nti di koton di sika koma ne maame nom no mo fa hwɛ na dwuma mu Agyei wa wo hwɛ oba ta ben na ni bagi we say ho enti Vera na to ne de in fact ma bre no menum kura ato wo ne ho
Ma
don't mommy me o don't mommy me.
Ma me catch no, it's not okay. Me na ka say nya fine. So before your makoton say nya fine. No man catch.
So
Tell me.
So pacho so
Mon koto me mon sorry me nya nyankopon na makoto me mon sorry dear sorry
ma me ni mo hwe
sorry yo
pacho so pacho yeah me show boss bibi asie bia no me pom hu modin bia na mama ne mayo okay ama ansi ana ayi construction for mo akire hai o ma fa me aka ho
jana kai mo
ha me ye duma kakra minim se den a metimi asie ska bi na bidinsie se minya ska kasie bi a bibia wa hwere wo me hu bia no me ya ma
eye onyankopon ko de bone cheye mate mpanifo so obaja na gu sre so a ye pepa ye ntwantwene meja bibia manaka anope ko na David no otu ne bafo ne basoro fo se won hwe na bra boso yie sade be ya obedi nyankopon mra nsam ne na hyede nyina so na ba bi obekọ bia esini yie meja bibia manaka Vera oye meba osan so be ye masse prekope meja bibia manaka
Where are you going? Can I give you a lift?
No, please. No, thank you.
What's your name?
I don't talk to strangers. Please.
I just want to give you a lift.
No, thank you. That's kind of you. Thank you. I actually wanted to cross. I was waiting for you to move so that I can cross. Please, I don't talk to strangers. If you're not moving, let me go.
Please, excuse me, where do you live?
I cannot show you where I live. I don't know you. Please, be going.
But there's this girl I've seen in your area. And then she's your friend.
Who?
Vera.
And what about her?
She's beautiful.
Hey, she's beautiful.
But she's your friend.
Hey, and what about me?
Well, you're beautiful as well, but I like her. Please help me. Help me get her, please.
Fred, so are you saying you have no interest in me anymore?
But you know, between me and you're not even ready for marriage. Come on.
Fred, wow. Well, anyway, you said you want me to help you get Vera, right? Well, as I can see, you're looking good, the money is flowing, so you know what that means. It will come at a cost.
Really? Are you charging me because I want to go out with your friend?
Oh, no, I'm not charging you, but you can bless me. I mean, share the wealth. Why not?
You know, that's not a problem. I'll sort you out. But please, I'm serious.
I mean, I'm offended, but hey, money talks. Now you're talking, Fred.
I still looking beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Regardless of all the challenges, I'm very happy about this whole hairdressing thing. Like, I can't wait to finish and be a boss, and then I have other apprentices under me.
That's my girl. I'm also so happy. I have my best friend joining me, and we're doing the same work. I love it.
What was it you wanted to tell me today?
Do you know the madame told me today she's so happy that you've picked everything up so fast and you're so helpful and humble. Hey, I was like, yes, that's my best friend.
Yeah, I'm a sharp girl.
I love it. Everyone loves you over there.
It's genuine.
Oh, it's genuine. Oh, this is what they were saying behind your back. Of course it's genuine.
Anyways, this morning there was something you wanted to talk to me about. What is it?
So there's this guy that just came from the US. His name is Fred. Very nice guy, handsome guy, and he's got money and stuff. And he wanted to take me out, but I want you to go with me.
Hey.
I can't go alone. You have to escort me.
But you know my mom and dad don't let me go out in the night.
Hey, Vera, you a baby.
I'm not, but you know, they won't let me go out in the night, so...
If you tell your mom and dad you're going out with me, of course they're gonna be okay. They're gonna know you're safe.
Well...
Oh, please, don't do that.
I can't promise you, but you let me finish up with my
you know, house chores and then see.
Come, it will be fun. Let's go. Let's go have some drinks and some good food. Please.
You know my dad already.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll see. Yeah, let's see. I'll talk to them. I'll tell them.
anyway, I'm taking that as a yes.
No, wait till. Let me talk to them before.
Okay.
So let's go. Yes, we're standing here wasting time.
Mama, Adriani, Grandma, me, yam qua.
Hey, we did any akono say free krum about the wood in Yama krum kase mudi. Na me just said if you are strefia that's all. Me tell me baby. Ba me any why? Mama nyire me hona me ni bina. E bronya na yenya we di. Agyei.
Mommy.
Vera ho ye fewu.
Oh.
Hey, na no me na market won mo sa me kohwa. Chese no ho ye fankasa.
Mommy, one pan and idiot.
What him say? What did you cause you no say na me mpene so. Na me mpene so. Nanso enna no me hu no ne die. Na me anim ne ho ye fe.
Oda wase.
Wa gina so say you know. See na mpese me hu me ba o. Wani gia. Me so mani age. So
Oda wase pi. Me so me dance say say abedrum pempen so Agyei Vera.
Oh,
me dance.
Aden.
Say akase me yiri me hono ma bom me ho model na. Metimi aye no ho ade.
Eno ne asam no. Eno pani asam na Agyei.
Bom me ho model ma aye no ho ade.
Pedjuma ba ko pese na Agyei. Masam tietia no no. On say be ma de.
So why nim say me ye me 1212.
1212 na any day. Be ma ni monyamfo ni monyam no. Ene adwuma wo ye o. Adwuma papa bi a wo ye ba ko pe bi a eyo pase ya Agyei a. Ye nim say Agyei di adwuma wo ye ni.
Dating Agyei, so why
You are dating Agyei, and so do you think it took one man to make me look like this? My sister, you better shine your eye on. Somebody has come from the US. This guy has dollars. This guy really likes you. He has a good job, and you're saying that you don't want him. How will Agyei know that you are talking to another guy?
I mean, I don't know how to cheat. Oh.
You don't know how to cheat.
I don't know how to cheat, and I don't want to cheat.
So you don't know how to be discreet. You want to be with this Agyei guy and be
Agyei
in
is always
poverty.
with me 247.
He's with you 247, and this guy has dollars and he's ready to spend on you, and you are saying no.
I don't like this. Why are you putting pressure on me?
Because I know this guy is right for you. This guy is going to change your life, change your destiny, change your mother's life, change your family. And you're saying you don't want. Somebody is ready to spend dollars on you and you are rejecting it. I mean, what kind of human being are you?
Okay, so I don't get it. Are you now trying to tell me what is right for me and what's wrong for me?
Yes, because I am your friend. I am outside looking in. I mean, look at how you're dressed, so tattered. Look at your duku. Is this how you want to look? Don't you want to look fresh like me? This guy is willing to do everything for you. You need to agree, and I will make sure that I convince you if it's the last thing I do on earth.
Z, if you keep on putting pressure on me, I'm going to tell Agyei.
You can tell Agyei, what do I care? I even want him out of the picture. I want him long gone so Fred can be there and you can enjoy and your family can enjoy. So if you like, go and tell him.
What's your interest in all of this?
I don't have any interest. I want the best for my friend. And I want my friend to enjoy money, dollars, and a good man, a handsome man. Is that too much to ask?
Na de do be pia.
Daddy me paucho, na me person me di assembly two way me maintain me buy.
Zina budie da nyina wontimi kachi.
Daddy,
Na mo wa ya de. An kakra obe bi nyina be yi. Ai. Ha assembly.
Vera wohu. Guy be pen your friend Fred. But my sister no on pesa obe penny. Ma try say me convince him so still on pesa obe.
I am me Vera.
Yes.
And Fred be pen.
Yes. Guy know you come up.
And no say or so they on
on peno or tretre no who e guy no so.
Sa abrante no Osha oye.
Oh yeah, come papa.
Oh Ghana ya.
Debbie offer opportunity buy USA. Daddy always sika bebre.
Hwɛ me ba no sɛ buka sɛ sunsun bi di n'akyi ɔno na sika ba no opia ɔpam no kɔ
Makasa so still girl you see on peg guy no
nti abrante no ho ana ɔkɔ
ɔwɔ
ka kyerɛ abrante ne sɛ me Vera ne papa bibi a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ bia no ɔmɛyɛ wate ɔmɛyɛ ɔna di anim ba wa yo Zrabu ha Agyei susu mbɔni bi di Vera chi ana hala wo yare nyani pa le wo na wo sika ba na wo pam no obi ofra blo chira ba wo pe wale wo no Vera avanza cabra yo le dana bra
Jana wuni.
Ya ba da so se ya ga no kwa bla
Ade.
Fa ko nya be tama.
Ade na aba.
Ani hu shi ba e hu sa de wo. Fa ko nya be tama se. Shi ba na ba la fa na. Mo ade fa nya mo fe. Ade fa nya mo fe.
Ade asam na aba.
Ya asam na aba.
Na ade fa nya ye fe. Ade ayi.
Ade. O ba je di se oba no. Oba nya me bi tuku. Ade papa bi pe fie na obo tuku.
Vera. Ade na aba wo bo tuku. Be ka asam na ka che me ne ya de wo.
Shamba bebre ba won ye kurom ha. Mana mo bayi ehu obi asa Vera se ono no so ope no. Just ope no ko obe ye no ma de mpo. Wa ware no. Vera se de bi Agyei nti. Agyei o da kios ni. Ani obi a no tiamro sanso. Ho na kaye. Na Vera pamu abranti.
Enti de ayi.
Enti de na abaka.
O pamu na bone ben wa ye.
Eti ade papa no ade ba no on franco
boni ben wa ya pese osina bo ha obi a wote baabi a wo wunnim no wonte na bakosam wo firi wo grzim wa ba be gina ha se wo ba be wale wo ba enti aye wo de fiti wo nya sika na gene yo hiani ka wu sa ya trase ansa de awia miwra ase wonyini no wonyini jawadwe wa akire fikire bi sei
asama na paso kakache
pese me kecho se ma wadwe monya duru Brony say the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know sasa bonsam na wonni mono dada o ye se obofo awu ho
Yeah, from a Fred.
Vera na yi na kosi sei.
No antina menam. Me ba ya me nkuta ne bone. Ti ejama ya hoboa. Say ni ye wote asema me ba be ye ne ho ade me de amamre ba beto be da. Na bibia e kama.
Si abote. Nyabote. Me. Ne papa. Mboja no no. Me na mka se onye se obaye. Vera ntimi tuma no si from down. Nti bo abekan no. Wo le dia bibia ma me. Abapre.
Se bibia so ye.
Tu mi be no Vera no.
Bibia ye.
Tu le se abote nti mo le se why bo ho a. Ye ntam na fei. Bibia na ne kwam.
Mateja. No antina mbai.
Akwanda.
Say what mama kwan dia.
Akwanda.
Ye be hwe ni abaye dia ka echi bia.
Jo.
We so de ba ya man sa pan ya.
But we ade kakra
Bo mu ade kakra de bre woni ma.
Se bo mu ade na ekutuze.
Asase emponi.
Ano kwa so se ayi. Na ka so so ba wo amenori alo amenori o. Aye. Amafro be aye obia ba alo kwa amenori o je ba bi patre o. Hey, bibia be si bia no. Me what it? Bibia tum so. Now, Vera, wa na wia no. Be shira no ama. Be shira so ama.
Be das.
Yes, umre. Baby,
oh, why? Hey, ja bibia mami. Ja bibia mami. Me saka we no. When your first stamp right no. To abo mo. Kina me ho ani.
Ati ja we dey say umre be sire kwa.
Yo. Kwada
se pa se.
Yo.
The bar o ti woni ma.
Yo.
You be saba.
Amadu. And they are one what I'm right. Yo. Hey. Man te pa bali. Bibi kakre.
Vera. Oh. Mama, my appetite at you. Oh. Who on say?
Ah, see me, man, and now better now.
Well, go buy me. Already a second you that came with the army.
Amen.
I don't know what for people.
What to be a man? What to be a man? I'll be sad.
Oh, no, tea could I be so trouble? Tea is so trouble. Tea, never cook. You get what I
Oh, baby, you know. And then, the empire, your boy, being ready to you, Sufro. Malam Ponchura. The ban, Abba. The very curry, and maybe prepare what he will move. Yeah. So, I don't go to Moana. Oh, yeah, also, walk there on the pole. Ntiamoah, Abba. Abba, Abba Boko, the Coco Numpono. Kufu.
Oh, you say,
boom! What is it? Send a member to someone said, no, I never so chas my city. She wow.
Ntiamoah.
No?
I need to know mobile no man can't change the same Agyei. I don't understand.
Hey!
I'm doing Agyei because of be a man and bad friend with Chabana. Ntiamoah.
Jabi,
It's what you scar.
Yes, I'm some of your body.
Agyei Ben.
And someone in some Agyei no.
Oh, take
it.
Die.
Agyei container. Oh no. Oh, Vera, I'm so. Yeah, who you buy? I said,
no returns.
David,
no returns.
I here. I here.
Sure.
Yes, I someone say. Who baby did? Oh, that I mean. Who baby who knew? Yeah, this guy. Into baby.
Fred, which high? Me and you had a plan and you went behind my back to see Vera's family. Is that what we arranged for? Why would you do that? That was not the plan.
I know, but you were taking too long.
I was taking too long. Me and you had a plan that I would talk to Vera for you, and now you go behind my back and see her family and you don't even make me aware. I mean, now you've spoiled the plan. She's my best friend. I told you I'm the only one that can talk to her and convince her, and now you've spoiled everything. Huh?
Right now, there's nothing we can do about it. I've already been there. I've seen the family. There's nothing we can do about it right now. So, you just leave it to me. Let me continue whatever
I should leave it to you. Listen, at this point, you've spoiled everything, and I don't think she'll agree. I don't think she will agree because you have spoiled everything. I'm the one supposed to talk to her for you, and now you've spoiled everything. Well, let's see if she'll agree. Me, I don't think she'll agree.
It's okay. Let's go inside.
Go inside. Hey, please, I have better things to do, okay? I have somewhere to be. Goodbye.
Sika kasa wontie. Sika na ba fie na kasa wonte. Wo do hira asem na
Ada wa mo na mo ni papa ba kwatena na se me na me ba kwatena.
Ati afo hia ko wom.
Teti na mo di ohia be ko wom. Se ti ami so adwuma yi. Se me pon me ho na fe me ni Agyei so tena na e ware a. Ye betimi akreti bibi na na ohia na o.
Kwesi da bai. Kwesi da bai. Na me ti ase. Na me ti ase.
Me ware.
Ah, ati ba me nya me nyima ni asa. Ada na asa.
Me ware papa ne ba. Me ware no ala ba. Me ware no Agyei na me ware ya.
Debi be ye na twam.
Entwem da wo ma wo ware da na no oska. No oska.
Na ye.
Me obi ani mo prepare chase o. Obi ani mo prepare chase o. Obi ani mo prepare chase o. Okay. Me ware obi ani ware.
O cha fe so.
Ware obi ani.
Aka me tena se so papa convince me. Papa convince me about it.
Hey! Eti say ya ni ebe.
Oh papa, ba yo be is can do say bam. E wa na ma dey.
Mo so fa se fufu o. O so o ka ho bi. Mo ye ni ade ni aka ho bi. E se fu do ke.
What?
Na confuse you.
E ba na go ta. Mi ba na sa da na chi.
Wo ni nya sa. Wo ni nya sa. Sa na ba no.
Na ba dia bo na mo. Ya ko pone, ana na ya badisa. Ana na ba badia basa.
Ya, ana na mami a wo sese. Tama so se ya. Wo aduma hu hia se me bibia bibi.
Me ko ba me ya ma o. Da ma so.
Me tra ha ko si so be ko aduma bansa. Asan me bibi.
Kambena.
No, ko se me.
Le ya me na so kakakra ma me na fe mi bibia wo se.
Se mu wadi.
Another obedi right for the one katama.
I find I'm a commando, and I'm saying, yeah, mammy. Also say the
Miss Onya man, me must have complained you.
Yeah, my Diana, mammy. That's a problem. Child, I want Lancashire Brown, Tian to soon over. Oh, yeah, there I say, the question. To wait, man, who is a man, no,
maybe that about the
I want to move.
That's all right. I so corner for Bemen. Ye, I'm a failure.
Pakuyama, hold on.
Yeah. What are they?
We don't buy.
Come on, no more. I'm not home, and
That's not for what is she I say.
What's here?
International, I say, I was saying,
Oh, maybe I know the back of you.
I have to say, no, I know. 200 yeah.
What's up, Papa?
I am
not sure where. One chance. I could know. I brought one shoe. One shoe. You never dress me and me so fast. You're not telling me something. You're not telling me something.
What's wrong with you? Yo, a friend. A friend, and then I come for. Hey.
Mama baby.
Fred. Vera new. Vera. Fred na yakaka o so ndim no ni. Ono ni. Odo so obe wa.
Please, Mr. Fred, please let me make this simple and short. 1, I'm not interested in you. 2, I have a boyfriend. His name is Agyei. I don't want to cheat on him. I don't want to lie to you as well. So please, leave me alone. I beg you. I'm off to work.
Vera!
Hey, Vera! Vera!
What about you?
Hey, Vera! Fred, o ma na ha mo. Me hu abufuo no de yesa. Mo papa, o papa, ene me. Na mo ba wi ase. Na ma sori no pa na ye reasa tamame a. O se o kwa adwuma aba. Na me try wu ne kwa na ke ka bi chira ne se.
Tia no.
Na me try say.
Na
Me try say o de no.
Na wagu enu ase.
O de no. Nya me ya na hwe no.
Ah, wo tia na say no so ye dia dia.
Ete me hu abufuo no de yesa. Ti wo le munya abotre wase. Bibi aba ye correct. Wo munya abotre.
Wa me den ko so.
Mama temper go high. Ni papa no. Eh? Mama temper blow kra.
Dabi. Oh, sister o esa. Why? Ti wo na mucha. Munya abotre.
But mama, we dey best rekwan.
Amen.
That of buy him bra. And dia me ye ni. Munya abotre why? Yo.
You best aba.
That's a mugwa.
Yo, okay. I friend you never fool. Already young you only never fool. Hey. Again, where are you there so?
Eso. Ah! What say na wie? No.
Vera. What
Friend person treat.
So no ultimation ho dia. And obatu afufia.
Oh,
Mommy, my hi. Vera Onifi. Vera Onifi. Oh, Mommy, Mrs. Vera went in. Vera! Mommy, not me, Mrs. Vera went in. Now then I say, what do you want him crunch me?
Mr. Masumano, are they?
Makona dwuma mu oni ho na ma fie sem me be hwe so ho no ma
Ana bi sound as Masumano ba no. Are they?
Ami pacho he na osuma no
I don't so me chwa ba bia wo ho. Ai krachi dia wa ba papa. Are they?
oni me
What are Vera? Mr. Masumano was me.
Mama say asem.
Wo be twa na say fa na wo na.
ma ko Vera dwuma mu me ko yi me hu ne ho Edam se me ba be hwe so wo fie a me ne no won komo pa
Kwa ya dwuma so kwa ile.
me ko twetwa me ne won komo pa hunya pa nse me duwa na me bisa ma me se na Vera wan ya nanim onti nanim nkyere me a ojojo me sayo
Nti
Mr. Masumano. What's me tell me bia Masumano so.
me hwehwe Vera papa
ade.
me ne won asem ehia pa aka me che se me hu ne na enya de be metiase
Say. One dem ho akose moja trofo no a won wo ho a dem moja ye yima na bia na.
Papa, Mr. Vera wo ho a mom Mr. wo de me madawro ma Vera wo ho a mom friend ma.
What's one ka dia me na dodo. Vera no wa hu ne nda bibi be yo.
Mr.
Hey. Bisale ma.
Ma me Mr. mo ba bia Vera wo bia no Mr. mo. On kire me.
Mr. Masumano. Masman so se me obeso ho baby kuno. What be that? Et wonni suma wa. Wonni suma no na fu hwe wa obeto baby awo. Ana wonni no be ka ba di kudi enti awo suma awo. What be that? Vera no what on na.
Mami na dia na mo yemi.
Na wo so dia pa na de ye yenso. Ah, me be saw.
Papa, so asuma na ne ade a. Ti ase ne ko.
Papa, Vera de se menhu ne na. Bibi kura be yemi.
Ade ko na bibi no. Papa,
where is Agyei o?
Agyei a o ye. Agyei o maame na hu kwa na me na mehu. Maame na wo so wo.
Agyei
wo hu ame na me. Kwa.
Ah, wo je die.
Oh, kwa no me Agyei ho.
Wo je wa tanya yenti. Papa bi asitu na
hu Vera.
Ora, o be sabe bibi bo ansa na wo bichere. Me so ko.
Me hu ta plan wo ho. Sa dai no temumrumu. Ana tie. Ade bi asitu bi abu. Temumrumu bata bi.
Yo.
Me plan.
Samo se me nko a.
Woni plan.
Me dia me nkasa. Meko. Samo se me nko a, me meko. Me ko.
Na be gina ha. Kwa na abeko. Na ta hanya ufie.
Ya dia chedi na, dem pe so ni kuna ba wo ne ni. Agyei. Hey. Chese dia tu no ho punu mu no osem. Hey. Ana oba ho ntie Agyei tu mi atu no ho punu. Ana wo hyɛ dem chese wo no won kasa wonidi wo bu sɛ Agyei asɛm a wo mmua wo. Agyei. Hey. Agyei asɛm de mi tebi hu. Agyei. Hey, Agyei to ben to be ku hu. No oba hunti. Na me baba to me aye ho basa. Ma good morning. Fi. Ma fi. You again, Vera. You want to kill my son? Why? Ma good morning. Edebe na good. Ama morning. What is good about morning? Vera. What you say? Because of you, Agyei don't want to eat, oh. You don't want to drink water. You don't want to do anything. You want to kill my son for me? Vera, you not hungry. Live here. Leave my face. You want me to push you or you go yourself? You want me to push you or you go yourself? Free hand ko na hunti mi be why you busy free hand ko very free hand ko be jama fo a wokru no mu miensa ne nan free jame be mami o jame be je mami very jame be je mami na nya hunti na me wo no aden jame be je mami ka wona ko free hand ko o chiala wo fo sama akwa me pastor for you me be je o say be obedi na wo abedira say ayo ho pacha abedira say
Vera, for how long are you going to be sad and depressed like this? Huh? How long are you going to be moping over him for? Vera, you need to cheer up.
It's all your fault, trust me. I mean, you're the one who's leading Fred on. Keep leading him on. It's all your fault.
Vera, it's not my fault. At the end of the day, it's not your fault that your parents drove Agyei away. I mean, look at how his mom insulted you and embarrassed you. Don't you think that's a perfect opportunity to exit the relationship and move on with someone better? Your parents know what is best for you. They gave birth to you, Vera. So you need to listen to them. You need to wise up. Vera, I'm your friend. I know what is good for you.
So happy to see you. Please sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Feel free to sit down. Okay. Do you want anything to drink? So should I get you something?
Yes, but I don't like alcohol.
No problem. No problem. Okay, I'll be with you soon. Yeah, how are you? How are you and the family? How's your mom?
Everyone is fine.
It's good to see you. I'll leave you alone.
You have a nice place.
Thank you. This is why I stay when I come to the village.
Your village house is nice.
Thank you.
See, I'm very sorry for the way, I treated you the last time, or I've been treating you. It's not me. It's not me. I don't like guys who come from abroad. When they come, they always want, to have girls around them, and use them, and then dump them, and then travel back to where they came from. And when you call them to, the number you have that cannot be reached. So, I didn't know you were serious.
I understand. But I'm serious. I'm so serious. Okay? I'm not in for games or jokes or anything. I really want to settle down with you. The very first time I saw you, I realized you were the one. I love you so much. I love you. I really like you.
I'm still an apprentice. I'm learning how to make hair and all of that. I'm in a hairdressing school, so I don't think I want to settle. I want to complete my, skills before.
Sweetie, listen. With me, you don't need that. Why would my wife be braiding hairs and all that? No, you'll be doing better business. You have other businesses you'll be doing. You wouldn't be doing all this. You don't need this. With me, you don't need this. No, not at all.
So, are you saying my work, is not your level?
No, you need this uniform. You wouldn't be wearing all these uniforms and all that. No. Listen, give me the chance to change your life. Change the lives of your entire family. Please. I'm serious. I'm not in for games. I love you so much. Listen, it's normal you have your doubts. You've given me reasons why you are doubting me. Fine. But I'm trying to tell you, I am serious about you.
I've heard all that you said. My break time will soon be up, so I need to go back to work.
Okay.
So I have to leave now. I'll think about all that you said very well.
Okay. Think about it. That's no problem. Okay, let me give you something small so you'll be okay.
Actually, go.
Yeah. You deserve more than this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let me see you. Okay. So can I at least get a hack?
are you following me? Why are you following me?
Vera, what is it? Please. What is going on? Why are you avoiding me? You've been ignoring me. What did I do wrong? Just tell me, what did I do?
Please, I don't want any problems from you and your mother anymore. I came to visit you and your mom started calling me a prostitute, a woman with plenty boyfriends. And because of me, you're not eating, you're not doing anything. Please, I'm tired.
Me not eating?
I'm tired.
See.
She said I'm a prostitute. So you let me go and be prostitute.
No.
After you
Vera,
suffered with him for nothing.
My mother can't say that to you.
She said it to me. And it's not the first time, exactly. The last time she said, the first time she was like, she doesn't like me. I went to apologize with you. Now I went to your house again, they're a prostitute. This, that, I don't like that.
My best friend
why?
is a prostitute.
Agyei.
Somebody who has suffered with you for nothing.
You know, it's not my mom who's going to be with you. It's me. Please, Zainab, please talk to her.
Me, Zainab, talk to her. Can't you see she's not interested? Just leave her alone. Vera, please, let's go.
Vera.
Every day your mother will
Oh, Vera. Oh, Vera. It be me when you do me like that. Have I done anything wrong?
No.
So, how come I haven't seen you for the past 3 weeks?
I've been busy.
Busy?
I've been busy at work.
But, aren't you close?
I close.
Listen, Vera, if there's anything that I've done, just tell me.
You haven't done anything.
So why are you avoiding me? Why are you ignoring me?
I'm not avoiding you. I'm not ignoring you. It's just work. The customers are, just too many of late and it's stressing me. I close very late. I wake up very early in the morning. So it's work. It's nothing. I'm not avoiding you or ignoring you or whatever.
Vera, you know that you are really doing something. Please, can you just make time for me, please? Are you telling me you work like throughout the entire day and the night?
What is it? I was going to sleep and you came. What is it?
The problem is that, I don't know, it's like you're cutting me off. For 3 weeks I haven't seen you. You don't even come for your pocket money.
Which pocket money? Which pocket money? Pocket money. Pocket money, a bit so I did 1 year and saw the mom. Then what so what are you talking about?
Vera, him said 1 2 yarn I'm there just to raise some money for you. I do all that because of you. You let me redeem myself, okay? I know it's been 3 weeks, but here, this is for 5 weeks. Here, that's for 5 weeks. Please, don't avoid me.
This one, for 5 weeks.
Yes.
Only this one.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Vera.
Good night, Agyei. Agyei, go and sleep on time.
Vera. Vera. Vera.
Agyei nti aden. Aden na pesa wo kun home ba. Aden. Ene to ma oba ho nti. Wo fi wo ni pedua so kra. Me baje papa bi. Ene wadwi wo ba ho saa. Am wo fi wo pesa wo. Agyei, aden. Edesam.
What can we be? Vera Fiana. Udi de de opamno e no koye. Wo kan wo bi. Say my friend no.
Agyei. Na me timi ba bi nka pa o. Woni ye ma me timi ba bi nka. Eti Vera hunti na ti se still a wuguso wusu ne se oba amapam. Oba ha nedu. Mesa pam no mpedu. Vera nso oba ha nedu. Me pam no mpedu. Agyei. Enti Vera hunti. Ana person me kasa basa. Ah? Some kasa sa padwuma na ye. Me kasa pa brabo bi na bo. No oba, wo so opa ompo na adan. No wo so wompel. Me ka dra sa padwuma bi na ye o. Padwuma bi na ye. Na bemma te sa wo hoi die. Sa wa ya adwuma na sa wo kita wo sika. Emma pa. Ah? Tena ha ne so. Na dwendwina na wu. Na sa wonya wu wi a, wo be hu ma papa bi. Wo be hu emma. Sa no mo hwehwe wo na nka watena ade wa ho ofe. Aware wo mo. What? Tena ha ne so. I just want to move Vera. Okay, ni dia busumi.
Are you stepping out?
Yeah, we're actually on our way to Parental.
Why are you going looking like this?
Since when did that become your business?
Oh, Vera, what is really going on? What is going on? Can you just let me know what is going on? Why are you doing this?
Okay, Agyei, can you please tell me why you're here, please?
Vera, are you suggesting to me that our love is based on deception? And that the moment we share together, everything is all lies? Vera, what did I do?
Oh, okay. So, I need to understand. Is it a question or a statement? Okay. Okay, they were all lies. Yeah, deception, correct. So, now that you know the truth, please leave me alone, Agyei.
Come on, Vera.
Please.
I know this is not you, Vera. I know this is not you. Don't do that to me.
Gentleman, listen to wisdom, okay? Vera has now found love in a very responsible man, okay?
Vera, I know this is not you. No, it's not. And I know the source, and it's her. You, definitely your karma is on the way.
Me karma?
Yes.
She has a mind of her own, okay?
Vera,
So,
please don't listen to this.
Time is going.
yeah, Agyei, please, we'll have to leave. And please don't step foot here again.
Yeah.
I beg you.
Let's go, let's go.
Bye-bye. Your mother said I'm a prostitute. Now
Bye.
Hey. And I'm a bottom.
Baby. Breakfast is ready.
All right. Where are you feeding me in this house there? In no time. I think I would have to change my stuff. I don't think I'm going to fit in anymore.
Oh, please. You know it's my responsibility to make sure you're well fed, right?
I know.
And you, it's just, someone say prelims. Wait till we get married. As in, when we really settle down. We probably do the right thing when we get married. You would, don't let me talk. And mind you, it's my responsibility to make sure you're well fed. And I'm the one. So.
And I love the way you're taking care of me.
I'll do better when you marry me. So, hot or cold? Everything hot.
I know. I already know what I want.
So, tea or beverage?
Tea.
Alright.
You're asking me where Vera is, so you're not ashamed of yourself. You're looking like a peasant and you came all the way to this gentleman's house to ask where Vera is. Oh, please don't waste your time on this guy. Don't mind this guy.
Just answer me. Is Vera here or not?
Is Vera here? I don't know where Vera is. She's not available.
Who is this guy?
Listen, mister, I am Vera's boyfriend.
You are what?
If you are housing her, bring her now.
Which boy? You are Vera's what?
I am Vera's boyfriend.
Are you okay? Are you normal? My friend, get out of here! Leave this place. You are Vera's what?
Zena,
Get out!
Get out! I'll go, but let me see Vera before I go.
Vera is not available.
Get out! How dare you walk into my house and tell me you are Vera's boyfriend? You know who I am?
Do I care who you are?
Go. Get out.
Don't
Get
touch
out.
me.
Get out.
Zena,
Get out.
Can you
And
call me
let me
back?
tell you. The very next time I see you in my compound again, I will kill you.
Kill me.
I will kill you.
Kill me.
Get out.
Mister, you can't. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. If you are housing Vera here, you better bring her.
So you came to my house to warn me. If I ever see you again, I'll kill you.
This stupid guy. Came all the way here. Can you imagine?
What's the meaning of all this?
It, the guts.
If I ever see him again, I'll kill you.
Take it easy.
I'm going back inside.
So I'll do right now.
Go.
Amen.
Any Agyei Ngissah. Agyei ti benya kukudo ba me fie. E ba ma me warning. E wo ba me ne ba be ware ho.
Oba wo ne ba be ware. Pa cha oba ben.
Mami. E musa me sa asem no.
Debi oba ben energy aba wo ho aba ne ho. Awa me ma o meti so se abegina ha do se tete o manim sa. Wonim so ma me ne me.
Me ma me ne wan.
Wonim sa me yapani.
Tu Agyei ne fo.
Na so oba ben energy aba ne ho.
Agyei ni mo ba kro. Tu ne fo. So wan hwe ye Agyei me ku no.
Ei.
So one to Agyei for me ku Agyei.
Asam na yekese.
Me say na maba na asomdwe mo se ne ohum sisi no. Me wa asomdwe mo. Ata me je bufu ba fia no.
What to me ku Agyei, na to me ku Agyei wotena. Oba ko no ba beya. Na me hu oba ko en. Oba beyi. Ade kwa na mo Agyei tiri so sa Agyei. Agyei.
Mami.
Agyei.
Mami.
Agyei.
Mami.
Empendo do ahena mabodi.
Yensa.
Agyei wo kai se wo de wo yan akwala nyina na me de wo kwa sori a. Wo kai Bible mu so oba kunani bi. Ene ne baba akopɛ, be ma ba akopɛ. A na aka no. Won na masase so a. Abema no wuye. Satam na Yesu ene na mantem ho. Nti bre ye de ba ni pia bonten no. Efunu ni pie no. Eye oba kurani na otese me no. Me ye Yesu mobuntu ma akoda na wawu dada kan no. Enyane. Sa wokai.
Mami,
Sa me be kasa ma be siasam so. Sa wokai.
Me kai.
Sesi Yesu me ye bio. Ena se ba ne saa wanya no wa mame. Asam ne tenten ne tietie nyina ne se. Meti he ya de. Meti ago, me kotwa mani a. De ne won ne anu oden. Se wo di Vera ne mpena to be o se ne yire to be o se ne fiancé o se ne fia hwan. Na wo di nechi. Ento we mame warning. Se me nkan kire wo.
Mami, za niema wo nyina ye tatis. Ye tatis.
Agyei.
Webe the door ban do minti no mo ye sa niema no.
Agyei.
Tatis.
Agyei mesrawo. Wo se se wan twu ho amfiri sa Vera no ho a. Wo bekum.
Wo bekum me.
Ai.
Wo bekum me.
Agyei. Me ba. Me do. Me ba kropa me no na mu wiase. Agyei. Mesrawo. Twu ho free Vera no ho. Wo se se me pese wo tena se dia na wo didi dia. Na me hu se me wo ba dia. Me nkan kire na twu ho free Vera ho. Enye sa ebekum.
Ago.
Wanya.
Yeah, nipa.
Na muwa na wa. Wa mo dia mi wo. Se akrofo adoso pa wo krom ha. Ti mi nimu wa. Ana wa mo di enya dia mi bia wo.
Okay, Pato.
Mo ni asadi akrofo te se.
Okay, Pato, yeah.
Yeah.
Dabi.
Abio, se there.
Mami timi. We nya so asem. We nya so asem kwa. Asem nim kwa. We nya prepare ma baby.
Asewo.
Mami timi.
Ase.
Ene mama na se okra.
Na ye di ntina ba.
Agyei tuma ba mi fie. E ma me warning. Se me ntwi me ho free Vera. Agyei tuma ba mi fie ma me warning se me ntwi me ho free Vera.
Ase o kafra.
Enti mo hwem Agyei ene Vera da so twempena. Edi enti na Agyei timi nya sa 2 million so beba me ho ba kasa asem.
Agyei.
Mo na mo so ne so ana.
Agyei. Na Agyei na no ba ho.
Agyei ba me fie.
Ase ba o kan.
O kasa na nso gina num.
Na la ma sha be.
O kasa na nso gina num. Ana wanta se mo kan e.
Oyi mu se ne kasa kira pa yi. Ana wa ya tenten kwa wonu mi nyansa. Wonu mi se ne kasa kira pa ni.
Ene ma be prepare de ba fi adu hu.
O mu ye no ntam nti o. Ni lo kire.
Pani ni ufie.
Pani ni sa. O ye se kani fie.
Monday Agyei kasa. Sasa muni Agyei kasa Agyei mekuno. So yes ade na mekuno. Na mo make sure say Vera ba ken ho frɛ Agyei no.
Ehia for money esa. Ono wa bo bi fie be woni no. O frako. Ono so hani.
Follow.
Me follow.
Follow back.
Na woni hwan. Ọmọ bra ní ojú òbí ẹtì ibi abẹ́bẹ̀ rí ó wọ́n ní ilẹ̀ wọ̀ wúú
Antọ́bùrọ̀
wọ́n yẹ wù
ọ̀ntọ́ yẹ tó àná wọ̀ Antọ́bùrọ̀ wọ́n wọ́n ní wọ́n kasa sáwọ́ sọ wọ́n pè sika ni wọ́n yà nù sika ni wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ gyina hɔ kásì wọ́n bẹ́ kún obi ahyɛ wọ́ no wọ́n wọ́n di aba
ẹ̀dẹ́ nà aba
Agyei yà bẹ́ẹ̀ ma pẹ́pẹ́ bi obi bie nà no aka kyɛ obi sọ obi kún ɛnna da hɔ no. Oso bekuno.
Hello, Vera. Me, Agyei.
Agyei, stop calling me. Stop calling me. Look, I've moved on. Try and move on too, please.
Oh, don't call you again, saying. Oh, you listen. Just please, just listen to me, please.
Look, I'm trying very hard to be polite. The next time I'll be very, very rude. Stop calling me. Can't you see we are not on the same level anymore?
Oh!
Can't you see? Must I tell you?
Why?
Stop calling me. What part of move on don't you understand?
No, on your... Hey!
I'm even tolerating you. You know what? Just get off my phone. Bye.
I'm not on your level again.
Block this guy before he comes to spoil my stuff here. Things have changed. I've moved on. Look at me. I'm living big now. He's bringing all those spring rolls and can't do anything. Come on, just
I will keep your milk on.
Take care of yourself. I see.
I know this may seem very awkward, but please hear me out. I really want to talk to you about something. Vera, I'm sorry I had to sneak in on you. I'm really, really in need of something and I want to talk to you about it.
What is it? Can we talk about it now? What is it?
Vera, I know that I have lost the fight and life hasn't been good for me lately. I have decided to go to the big city to see where life takes me. So I just came to say my final goodbye to you and just let you know that you are still on my heart and I'm never going to forget you. As, you know, my last gesture, just to say a final goodbye to you. And I promise you, I'm never ever going to disturb you.
Wait. Can we go in so we talk, please?
But it's
No.
Is he not
Don't
around?
worry, I'm in control.
Please. He threatened me the other time. I don't want any problems for me or for you, please.
Please, let's go in.
You sure? Okay, after you.
Please sit. Yeah. Please, can I get you water?
Yes.
Now you can talk to me.
Vera, as I was saying, I'm very serious about this. Vera, you know, it's been very, very tough for me, but I know that I'm not destined to be in this vicinity. My mind is completely made up. I'm going to the big city to see how far life takes me. Yeah, you know, it's a very tough decision, but I have no choice than to take it. You know, it's hard. I can't see myself living in the same vicinity as you whilst you are with another man. But like I said, I wanted you to know that I still have you in my heart. And even though it's going to be tough, I'm never gonna forget you.
You said you had a surprise for me. What was it?
Oh yeah, I mean, it was nothing serious. It was only to get your attention and also to let you know that you're still on my heart. And to tell you finally that I've made my decision and I'm leaving. Anyways, let's see. As usual. I don't think my hands are clean enough so you can have
No, I like the way you always joke with me. Try.
No, it's fine.
And I want you to do that.
Oh no, that's fine.
At least
that's fine.
before you leave.
I don't think I'm even clean enough to be, you know, doing that with you right now. So, you go ahead and, you know, come on. Go ahead. I mean, it's going to be tough, but, you know, today, I don't know, funny enough, it was special today. It looks very crispy and everything.
Did you buy it from where you usually buy it for me?
Oh yeah,
It's
the
just really
same
good.
spot, and it looks like it's very crispy. It looks special today.
It's just really good.
Yeah. All right, you know, for the very last time.
I know you put it in your mouth.
No, come on.
What changed? You're of all people, you would have put it in your mouth. What changed?
Nothing changed. Yeah. It's life, you know. It's life.
You're not eating.
Oh, I'll eat.
So, why are you eating like that?
Vera. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, Vera.
even telling Vera the other day.
What? This weather.
Vera, what's going on? Fred, what's going on? Vera! 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 Agyei? Vera! Agyei? Wake up! What's going on? Fred, what is going on? What have you done to my friend? Vera, wake up! Vera! What's going on? Wake up, Vera! Vera, wake up! Vera, wake up! Vera! Agyei, wake up! Fred, what have you done? What have you done, Vera? Please wake up! Vera! Wake up! Fred, you have killed them! Fred, you have killed them! Vera, wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Vera, wake up! Wake them up now! Vera! Vera, wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Please, wake up! Vera, please, wake up! Don't do this to me! Wake up! Oh, Vera, wake up! Wake up! Fred, what have you done? You have killed my friend! Vera! Vera! Oh, Vera! Please tell me this is a dream. Vera, wake up! Vera! Vera! Vera, please wake up. Fred! What have you done? Fred! What have you done to my friend? You killed her! Wake her up now! I need her to wake up, Fred! Wake her up!
Listen!
Wake her up!
Wake her up! I have no time to put blame. Please give me your phone. Let me call police to our house.
Fred!
Give me your phone!
Kill my friend!
Give me your phone!